Good evening, Unanal Prashan here. My name is Dr. R. Parthiban, Assistant Professor of Economics, ABS College of Arts and Science, Salem. My topic is nature and scope of business economics. First one of all, business economics, also known as managerial economics, is applications of economic theory and methodology to business with their applications. Also, economics is the study of human beings, examples, consumers, firms in producing and consuming goods and services aimed by scarcity of resources. Managerial or business economic apply a branch of organizing and allocating a firm's scarce resources to achieve its desired goals. Definitions of business economics. Different authors by different definitions are below. According to Hug, managerial economics is concerned with using a logic of economics, mathematics, statistics to provide effective ways of thinking about business decisions problems. Next one is McMillan and Merriam. Managerial economics consists of the use of economic models of thoughts to analyze business situations. Scope of business economics. As regards the scope of business economics, no uniformity of views exists among various authors. The scope of business economics, micro and macro variety, is a wider one, since it uses the logic of economics, mathematics, and statistics to provide effective way of thinking about business decision problems. However, the following aspects of said to generally fall under the business economics. Number one is forecasting and demand analysis, cost analysis and production analysis. Number three, pricing decisions and policies and practice. Number four, profit management, and number five is capital management. This is a forecasting and demand analysis. The business firms is an economic organization that transforms productive resources into goods to sell in the market. Also, a major part of business decision making depends on accurate estimate of demand. Number two, cost analysis and production analysis. A study of economic cost combined with the data drawn from the firm's accounting records can yield significant cost estimates which are useful for management decisions. An element of cost uncertainty exists because all the factors determining cost are not known and controllable. Number three, pricing decisions, policies and practice. Pricing is an important area of business economics. Also, price is the genesis of a firm's revenue, and such its success largely depends on how correctly the pricing decisions are taken. The important aspects dealt with the underpricing include also price determinations in various market forms, pricing methods, differential pricing, product line pricing, and price forecasting. Profit management. Business firms are generally organized to make profits, and in the long run, profits earned are taken as the important measures of the firm's success. Its knowledge about the futures where perfect profit analysis would have been a very easy task. However, in the world of uncertainty, expectations do not always realize. So, profit planning and measurement constitutes a difficult area of business economics. The next one is the capital management. Among the various types of business problems, the most complex and troublesome for the business managers are those relating to the firm's capital investments, as well as relatively large sums are involved, and the problems are so complex that their solutions requires considerable time and labor. Often the decision involving capital management are taken by the top management. Okay, thank you, sir.